Hello friends, it's me Faisal Amin here. In this video tutorial we will develop an SMS app. In this app we can send messages and we can also do some procedure to pick the number that we send message on it from our contact list that we stored in our mobile memory or your SIM memory. And here you can see that here my profile steamit profile, because Ethiopian is down today's, and here that we can send our contribution through any blockchain, steamit or busy, so I use steamit. You can see that. And now let's focus on our app. First you need to visit this app in 1.2 and click on start new project. Just name it as message and click enter, and it will open up a screen of your first impression. Just wait for a minute and you can see that here it's open and it is fully clear screen, and we will develop and design our app. First we need to design it, and we just name the screen 1-2. You can see that here the screen, and here you can see that all the options are available, and here the title we can save it as message and click on OK. You can see that here right on the message. Okay, now we just need some basics layout. So you need to go down and click on this layout option. Here you pick up the vertical arrangement and drop it on the screen, drag and drop, and fill its width to parent, and fill parent and also height to parent. You can see that it's now, and just now pick the horizontal alignment and drop it here, and just its width to fill parent, and okay. Now just you need to put a second horizontal and do the same procedure with to fill parent. Okay, because we need to just fully width for our edit text, mean that our message or our number that we input there, and click on OK. Now we just need what the user where it can write the messages and phone number. Just put up the text box and drop it on first horizontal arrangement. Okay, here you can drop it, and its width to fill parent, because it looks pretty in fill parent. You just need to text box for messages and name it as message, msg message. Okay, and just name it as phone number ph, and also its width to fill parent. Okay, now you just need to set it as multi-line. It's a multi-line option there. It's disgusting here, the multi-line option. And on the phone number you just click on numbers only, because we just need just number on the phone. Alright, we no need to put the text on the phone number, edit text. Okay, now you can also change the font size there, and you can also change the color. It's depend on you how you can design. It's a basic, I give you the logics of all about messages. You can design the apps throughout you, and we just need to send a button here to send messages, and here the button text, and we name it as send. And you can see that here I button send, and text color to I change it to white, and background color to blue. We can also arrange it on the center by the horizontal arrangement layout and send it on the its, and you can see that here all the options are available. We just need to fill width to fill parent and center and align element center. You can see that it's the button in the center. Here you can also set a hint enter phone number, okay. We can also set the hint here messages, because user can differ from the phone number menu and the message menu where it type the message, so it's hint only. Okay, now we just need to pick up a contact from social and pick up the text messaging extension, and we just put up the contact picker on this here on the first. You can see that here, and name it as contacts. Okay, you can see that its name is contacts. We just put it button for the user to pick up the contacts that it want to send message on it from its contact list that's stored on his device. Okay, now we just need to go down the block section. We just put up some logics here the logic section, and we just click on when the button one click, what it done when the button one click. And here our text message set texting one message to. Okay, message, what it message, we name it as message, and just put it here and just change it from text. And here you can see that texting, and duplicate it and change it to phone number, and change it also to message to phone number. Okay, and just on the messages extension you just find a send message. Okay, set color and call send message. Here we done with it, and you can also see that here message when received. You can click on here and just click here on the number or message text, not click, just only on the number, hold on, and you just find this. On this message text you can find get text and set text, and you can set it here. On the number the same procedure done you here, and number and get number here. Now we done with send message. Now we need to work on how the user pick up a contact in the phone number box from contact list. Here our extension of contact picker. After picking, do what it done after picking our phone number text, set text, just change it from background color to text, or you can also choose the and find the text box here. Just drop and you can find here the text option, number only. Here you can see the color, width, any option you can also select it from the drop down menu here. Set phone number text to contact picker, and we just need to hear phone number. Okay, when it contact after picking it, and we just need to contact picker here, and we just done with it. When button one click, set text message text, set text messaging phone number to phone number text. Okay, and you just send message. And when text to iMessage received, do this procedure, get message and get number on the number screen. And contact picker, when pick the contact, it's just set on the phone number screen. Okay, just go here and do this sum in font style to round, sans serif and shape to round it. And you can also change the contacts here, just change it from red and text color to white. Okay, now it's fully done. You can also design its main interface, and I will give you the logic, and you can also done some work on it. And how you can export this, the exporting option is here. You can see that here build option and APK save QR code. You can download the app from the Play Store, MIT App Inventor, or you can save, and after downloading it you can scan the QR code and it's here the APK save option. So I just save in on my computer and just install on my mobile and show you how it's work, and we will meet on our Android. Now here I am on my Android Samsung Galaxy S7, and here we have message app that we develop on our browser. Am I using MIT App Inventor 2, and we no set any icon, so we just have a default icon of MIT App Inventor. Let's open it and let's test it. And you can see that here the contact option, it doesn't clear, now it's clear, and it's contact option and send button, and here that we set the hint, entered phone number and message here, and here contact, let's check the contacts button work or not. And you can see that here the number pad, that we set only numbers option in our developing process. Okay, we just need to pick up a contact. I just put up a contact of mine. Okay, you can see that here the text box is right as, and let's check any message. Hi, how are you? And you can see that here I have right and message fully clearly, and just click on send and wait for a minute and just go and check whether it's send or not. I have no any packages, and you can see that here, hi, how are you, it's send message, and but I have no credit, so it doesn't send it. And you can see that here all the interface that we designed in the MIT App Inventor. You can see that here we write the main screen option as message, and here also you can see our hint, enter phone number. Okay, that's all for today, and thanks for watching.